Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about how things react with one another. As we know, matter is anything that take up space and has some mass. Matter is constantly experiencing both physical and chemical changes. Changes in matter. Physical and chemical changes. The following are examples of physical changes. A plate is dropped and shatters. Ice melts. Water boils. Wax melts. Iodine sublimes. A chemical change or chemical reaction occurs whenever a new substance forms. Evidence that a new substance is formed are: there may be change in color, there may be gas given off, new solid form, and there may be change in temperature. The following are example of chemical change. Wood burns, an egg is cooked to become a white and yellow solid, a metal panel on a car rusts, fireworks explode, concrete hardens, an egg cooks, and paper burns. Physical changes involve a transformation in physical properties of a substance. Chemical change, it involves formation of new substance through a chemical reaction. Indicators of chemical change. New substance is formed, formation of precipitate takes place, or change in temperature, or production of light, or there may be change in color or odor. Nuclear change, it involves changes in nuclear substances such as nuclear fission or nuclear fusion. Some examples of chemical changes. Paper on burning turns into ash. Milk changes to curd. Ripening of fruits. Metals get rusted on exposure to atmosphere. So, in chemical change, the alteration of substance into one or more new substances with different properties. Formation of precipitates. Bubbles of gas are produced. Change in temperature. Example of physical change like ice to water. Only the state of water change, properties of the water molecules will remain the same. So, physical change is the change in the state or form of substance without changing the identity of the substance. Generally, physical changes are reversible and chemical changes are irreversible and permanent. Clay molded into pots is an example of physical change. Dry ice, solid form of carbon dioxide, is an example of physical change. Example of formation of precipitate is when sodium chloride is mixed with silver nitrate, the white color precipitate of silver chloride will deposit at the bottom and formation of sodium nitrate takes place. Example of formation of gas is when vinegar or acetic acid is added to baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, formation of carbon dioxide and other substances takes place. And how to test the presence of carbon dioxide is with the help of lime water. When we pass carbon dioxide through freshly prepared lime water, it turns milky because of the formation of calcium carbonate. Exothermic reactions, a reaction that releases energy from the system in the form of energy. An endothermic reaction, a reaction that the system absorbs energy from its surrounding in the form of heat. A chemical change occurs when fireworks are used. Fireworks are made up of metals such as magnesium and copper. These change chemically as they light up the sky. Copper sulfate solution is blue in color. When we put an iron nail in copper sulfate solution, after some time it changes to green in color due to formation of new substance, that is iron sulfate. Students, here is the example of displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, the more reactive substance element displaces the less reactive elements from its salt solution. From the reactivity series, we get an idea about the most reactive and the least reactive metals. Like the metals placed at the top, potassium is more reactive, and the metal placed at the bottom, gold, is least reactive. And reactivity decreases from top to bottom, and the most reactive element can displace the less reactive from its salt solution. The process by which crystals of pure substance are obtained from their solution is known as crystallization. During crystallization, a solid is first dissolved in water, then the water in the solution formed is allowed to evaporate. By this method, large crystals of pure substance can be obtained. The crystals of common salt, sugar, alum, etc. are obtained from the solution of these substances in water by the process called crystallization. Crystals of copper sulfate are formed by the process of crystallization. Thank you, students.